abatura bayita bo mukoragurruku babanu barugomor district nka Fort Portal, Kabarore, Kamwenge, Chenjuju, Chegegwa, Bunyangabo, Kasese, Ntoroko hamwe na Bondo Bojo.
Abana abalina nalubiri baba n'okusomozebwa kw'ebintu ebyenjawulo babeera n'obulumi kye tuyita vaso-occlusive crisis era babeera babimwa mu ngalo n'ebitundu eby'omubiri ebyenjawulo baggwamu omusaayi ate waliwo n'okuba nti basobola okugongobala kye tuyita stroke.
Aba Joint Clinical Research Center nibagira ngu ekyo bakikora nk'omuringo gumwe gw'okugaruza abantu ba bulijjo obwe bari kujaguza emyaka 30 kwiha batandika kukora emirimo yabo.
Sickle cell disease it is a burden in this region because when you see the number of patients we see on the wards, you could see in a month around 200 patients for admissions. Then when you see in the outpatients in OPD, you could see over 150 patients in a month. So in a day you see outpatients, they walk in, but the admissions also they are many. So we are looking at the whole region that sickle cell is a burden.
Ne ku headquarters ndoza wiki ewedde twaliyo era nga tuli ku mulamwa gwe gumu.
Okurugerera ku kyondozo kwakozerwa Ministry y'Ebyamagara omwaka gw'2014 kukashanga ngu amatemba ga Uganda nigo gakirizeyo kugira abantu abine endwara ya sickle cell obwe bari habucweka 18 n'obutonyezo mukaga harigana. Ahirwa rero rya Fort Portal honka abarwira barukwingana 200 nibo barukwebwa ebitanda buri kwezi kandi aba barukuragurizana batahana nibingana 150 buri izuba.
So when you look at those numbers as a regional referral, we are overwhelmed. 200 in a month for admissions and 150 at OPD.
To me, it is something that is timely, and looking at the numbers, I would suggest that we need actually more days so that we can cater for our people from the various districts.
Banza okebebwe orole oburwaire bwa sickle cell oborabo bwine n'imbuto bwine nuko tutangira abantu kurora ngo oburwaire bwatukanyira kandi kutunga abantu abataino bomezi burundu.
Dr. Gilbert nagira ngo yihireho eco mubaro mwinji gw'abarwire okugira ekizibu cy'ibura ry'embazi y'endwara egi abarwira barukwijana babagambira kugura heri y'irwaro. Amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwiri.